What's going on, true believers? It's your man Believes. Today, we're going to take a change of pace. We're going to look at market Cipher B, and I'm going to show you why it is the best way for you to make money using day or swing trading, because all you got to do is look for the green and look for the red, and it's almost just that easy. This is not financial advice, but I'm always right. Okay, guys, we're skipping all the pretense today. This is what we're focusing on. We're going to talk about market Cipher B, and we're going to teach you how to become a better investor. And almost every crypto that you can look at, that you can find, is listed on here. Now, if you're in stable or stable-ish tokens, this is a little bit easier to read. If you're in meme coins, it's a little bit riskier, but I don't have to tell you that, do I? So let's look at what this is. Now, this is what a market Cipher B is going to look like. You're going to see these up valleys in blue. You're going to see this indicator here. This is green, and it turns into red. Then it goes back into green, red, green, and then yellow right here. But the important part, the most important part, are these dots right here. These are your buy and sell signals. Green dots leading buy signals that excel in sideways and upwards trend. Blue waves, you're looking at overbought and oversold readings for the most part here. But to get the most out of these waves, learn how to spot divergent price action, which often foreshadows a future price move. Then you have the yellow VWAP. I've incorporated a VWAP into the oscillator. It's the easiest algorithm on B to read. When it crosses up, you are long until the next cross down. When it crosses down, you are short until the next cross up. So you're going for up signals and down signals, and that tells you by the way that it's moving what you can expect to see. All this is very easy to read. There's a secondary trigger here. If you're using TradingView, the Market Cipher B free does not include some of the features. The MFI, which is the money flow indicator, that's the green and the red right there. Then you have the RSI and the stochastic RSI. Some of these are not going to be available in what it is that we're looking at. But let's go look at what we're looking at, and let's put this to use, and let's see what happens. All right, Kishu faithful, it's very simple. Follow the dots. When this green dot hits, that's when you buy more. When this red dot hits, that's when you sell some. You're trying to accumulate here, and when you play a dip or a move, like some of these moves happen right here, it's an opportunity for you to accumulate some additional Kishu. Just remember, take out what you put in plus whatever your fees are when you're making these moves, and then continue to accumulate. The more of you who are successful investors who are doing that, the better off your project is going to be in the long run. Here's something for you to remember, though. Kishu is a rapid test of extremes at this point. And I'm going to take you back here for November 11. November 11, around midnight, you got a buy signal right here. And this buy signal ended up becoming a parabolic run-up that ended 17 hours later. When that ended, you could have most probably cashed out half your bag and still maintained your profit margin, and then had even more Kishu than you had before. You did your sell-off, and then everybody else did their sell-off. Now you got in here, which is your first green signal, and if you're not paying attention to how these blues are doing, and you're not getting down here at the bottom of that move, then shame on you. But if you bought down here at the bottom, or even if you bought right here, then your actual sell signal didn't come until way up here, which means that you had two great opportunities for gigantic parabolic moves. Guys, this is very simple. I'm making you geniuses right now. These moves are how you are going to increase your holdings. And the more faithful Kishu holders that are doing this, the more faithful Kishu will be held by the faithful people, and the better your price action will be, because all you're doing right now is leveraging your floor. Because if you're in it for the long haul and you have 100 trillion, it would be nice if you had 200 trillion, because that makes you even bigger a whale and a better hodler for everybody who is invested with you. So I hope that makes sense. Right now, you are sitting at a very overbought move. I don't know what's going on with this right here. I'll look at your chart in just a little while, try to figure out what's going on. But it looks like just some basic sideways action. You guys haven't had a whole lot of action in the last couple of days. We'll figure that out. But this is a great opportunity. The next time you see that signal down here at the bottom, that's when you ape in huge to the best of your ability, and then you just wait for that big move to the upside. And as soon as that happens right there, then you accumulate more. Then you sell off, you take your money back, and then you wait for that next opportunity, and you keep accumulating, and you keep increasing that floor, because people have to buy in at a better rate. And that is one easy way for your whales to take care of you and to make Kishu Moon a whole lot easier. Moving on. Okay, guys, there's no rant today. What I'm saying is this: Market Cipher B is the way for you to make your trading easier. If you pay attention to what's going on in your market and you watch Market Cipher B, then you will be a much more informed investor than you currently are. It makes it very simple for you. Don't make the mistake of not paying attention to market signals. If you pay attention to those market signals, you will be a successful investor. And you will be calling your shots just like those whales do. And before you know it, if you play it right, then you will be a whale yourself. And if you're already a whale, then you will be protecting your products that you've chosen to make long-term holds on. Guys, that's all my time. Let's have a great day, and let's prosper.
I'm looking for the good life, good life. Sitting on top of the world, I wanna be shining like diamonds and pearls. I want you to go.